Alright guys, this is the video of just kind of stainless steel cleaning. So everybody has stainless steel pots. I'm just cleaning my pots. It's been a long time since I've done it. I just saw online somebody using this stuff. This is a multi-purpose cooktop cleaner, but it is safe for stainless steel and porcelain and hard water mineral deposits. Barkeeper's friend. So this is my regular pot that I brew with, a 10-gallon SS BrewTech with the 3-piece wall valve. And then this is old school kettle I first started brewing on. It's really thin, really cheap. It's got a simple 1-piece ball valve in it. And this was just covered with hard water stains, calcium deposits, brew muck, and whatever. This was a hand-me-down pot from one of my really good friends. Kind of got me into home brewing, and it was a hand-me-down pot when he moved away. He gave it to me, and I kept using it till I bought this from SS BrewTech about 2 years ago. And as you can see already, it looks like it's brand spanking new. It's starting to get some discoloration on the very bottom just because I brew like twice a month, sometimes more. So, yeah. Alright, so we're back. I just rinsed them all off. This one looks, I mean, it has a mirror finish. Look at that. Holy shit. It looks like a brand new stainless steel kettle. This kettle has probably 5 years of brewing to it, and that sucker is clean, man. There's a few scratches because obviously it's got some miles, but that looks like a brand new kettle, minus the big dent in the side where I dropped it. And this one is pretty much the same. This has about 2 years cleaning. There's a spot right there where I missed it. I don't know if you can see that spot where I missed it. Right there. But other than that, it looks pretty damn good. It has about 2 years of brewing on the kettle. And that's freaking shiny as hell. The inside and out. You can see my car in the distance. Look at that. That's some damn good shit. Yep. Bartender's friend. I believe that's what that stuff was called. The barkeeper's friend. Well worth a $7 investment to clean your stainless steel brew kettles.